What's going on, guys? We're here at Buc-ees. Look at this. I love this place. It's like a Walmart. Yeah, we're at Buc-ees, baby. It's the only reason why we came to Tennessee. To go to the Buc-ees. Travel 800 miles to go see this.
It was either that or South Carolina, so
yeah.
About even.
About even, yeah. But this is what Buc-ee's known for, all these pumps.
Yes, sir.
There's got to be, I don't even know, look, from end to end. Is there another side to this?
There's
40, and then there's
40?
And there's 4 times 4, because you can count both sides,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
1, 2.
Yeah.
So
Holy shit.
4 times 4, that's
A few moments later.
160.
I thought you were.
Pool noodle.
Pool noodle?
You can just like. Oh, that's the chair that you need. Look at that. All right, let's go to the jerky section. You getting me? Look at all this jerky.
To all my vegan friends, I'm doing you a favor.
Yeah. Yeah. I got jerky. So I got the steakhouse and sweet and spicy. Jose has a problem. He has a cart at Buc-ees. They got everything in here. Shopping at Buc-ees.
Alright, I'm gonna find the least excessive like stuff.